How to convert your PDF file to JPG on iPhone or Android. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your PDF file to JPG on iPhone or Android. So let's get started. I'm doing it on iPhone, but if you do have Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are same on both of the devices. So for that, first of all, you need to click on any of the search engine you have on your device. On iPhone, you might have Safari, and on Android, by default, you might have Google Chrome or just Google. So just click on any of the search engine. And when you click on that, you're going to go to the search bar and type PDF to JPG convert. And then just click on it. I suggest you to use I Love PDF because it is really reliable. So just click on this link. So what basically is the purpose of converting from PDF to JPG is that you can upload photos to a platform where uploading document is not supported. And whether you wish to send a specific page as image, or you can even make files easier to share and view. So what you got to do is click on select PDF and you will be redirected to the My File section of your device. And here, when I clicked on that, I'm redirected to my file section. So what you got to do is click on any of the PDF file that you wish to convert to JPG. For example, I'm going to click on this one. And once you click on that, you can even select many other files by clicking on them multiple times. And then you got to click on open. Once you click on open, you'll be able to see your PDF file be displayed over here. So what you got to do is just click on convert to JPG. And here you'll be able to see that the upload has begun, and right now it is 25% uploaded. So you got to just wait and notice the time left over here and wait for it to get uploaded. Once that 100% upload has been completed, you'll be able to see something like this that would say that PDF has been converted to JPG images. So you can just click on download and then view the JPG file. So that was how you can convert your PDF document into JPG on iPhone or Android. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.